What is up, folks? How are you today? I hope you're feeling good. I have another unboxing slash review kind of video for you guys today. There's not much to review because this is Xiaomi's Power Bank 2. So this is the box that has the power bank. Some specs, I'm not gonna go through all of them. Let's just get in the box to see what it's like. Okie dokie. So as always, there's quite a nice packaging with Xiaomi products. You get another little box, some small instructions and specifications. I think this is actually the proof that it's genuine product, that it's not some copy. Let's open this up. How do you open it? From the top, I guess. Let's get inside this box. Oh, there's a lot more stuff than I expected. So here is the power bank. Quite a nice piece. Oh, still protective. Let's take this off. Ta-da! So you get two USBs for charging your devices and stuff, and a small micro USB to charge the power bank itself. It seems it's okay, empty. Not cool, guys. I would expect a fully charged power bank, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna charge this sucker up anyway. So as it says on the bottom, it's 10,000 milliamp hours. Let me just check. The output is 5 volts and 2 amps. So you can quick charge most of the stuff. Okay, let's put this aside. What else is in the box? I guess it's another small little cable, micro USB on one side and a regular USB on the other side, so you can actually charge the power bank with this one from the like so, or you can use it to charge your phone. It has a micro USB, so you plug it in and plug it in your phone. Cool. What I've noticed on this newer model, the Power Bank 2, is that you have a low power mode of charging. So what it says on the website, I didn't test this before, but it says you can double press the power button on the power bank and then you get into a low charging mode, so you can charge your Bluetooth headphones and small items like maybe a sports watch, because on these two I have here, on the first, I guess, generation, you had a problem with devices that didn't actually need that much of a charge. I wasn't able to, for example, charge my Bluetooth headphones. You would plug it in and in a few seconds it would just turn off the power because it didn't detect that you've actually plugged anything into the power bank. That's a nice feature. I'm gonna test that out. I hope it works as it's written. I have actually two of these older generations. Holds just a little bit more charge. It's 10,400 milliamp hours, but they are mostly the same. It has just one USB for charging your devices and a micro USB to charge the power bank. As I press it, the power button, you actually get the status of the power bank. So as you can see, this one is fully charged, this one is, I think, almost empty. Yeah, it still has just a little bit of charge, and as we saw with this one, it is just on the last charge. The cool thing with these power banks is you can actually use them, for example, if you go camping, you can actually use them for all your lighting. What I have here is, it's not the original, it's like a clone of Xiaomi. Makes also these lights that you can use with the power banks, and I think it's also a fan of some sort. I didn't test that out, but this is the exact same principle. You actually plug it in and bam, you have a light for your camping, and it's quite a long well, how should I say, you can really get away with this light for a long time because it's 10,000 milliamp hours, and you're good for days with this thing. So yeah, you can, the cool thing is, like I said, you can get power from these things if you're somewhere outdoors. You can charge your devices, you can get light like I showed you this one. You can do, I don't know, all sorts of things. You can plug in maybe your Raspberry Pi if you need some remote power somewhere, and yeah, it's a very good thing to have. So yeah, I'm gonna stop my rambling right here. Thank you for watching. I hope you've get some good information from this, and yeah, these things are good, reliable. I have these original versions for, I think it's gonna be third year now, and I never had a problem with them. They still hold their charge really good, and I haven't seen any capacity drops or anything. It's just, yeah, great stuff. So that's why I bought another one, so I can charge maybe 2 devices at the same time. You can charge your iPads, iPhones, whatever. I mean, it's almost endless. And with this low power mode, I really dig that, because I had some Bluetooth headsets that I wanted to charge, and hopefully this will do. Yeah, so again, thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.